Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove calcium deposits from taps. First, gather your cleaning supplies, including white vinegar, a spray bottle, and a soft cloth. Next, ensure your safety by wearing protective gloves and covering any delicate surfaces around the tap. Finally, take a moment to identify the material of your tap, as this will help you choose the most appropriate and gentle cleaning method for optimal results. For mild calcium buildup, white vinegar is your best friend. Simply soak a cloth or paper towel in undiluted white vinegar and wrap it tightly around the affected parts of your tap. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or even a few hours for slightly tougher spots. The acetic acid in the vinegar will work to break down the mineral deposits. Afterwards, gently scrub with a soft brush. When facing more stubborn calcium deposits, a baking soda paste can be very effective. Mix baking soda with just enough water to form a thick paste, then apply it directly onto the problem areas. Let this sit for about 15 minutes before scrubbing. For extremely heavy or old deposits, you might need to consider a commercial descaling product. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully when using stronger cleaners to ensure safety and protect your tap's finish. After cleaning, rinse your tap thoroughly with clean water to remove any remaining cleaning solution or loosened deposits. Dry the tap completely with a soft, clean cloth to prevent water spots and maintain its shine. To prevent future buildup, make it a habit to wipe down your taps after each use. This simple step can significantly reduce the need for deep cleaning. Also, if you're looking to freshen up your ride, check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.